Let's level up for your intermediate bolero combo. Let's start with the gentleman footwork, at this time with the right foot pointing to the side. We will start with the preparation step with the right foot, pointing the foot, transferring the weight, swiveling on that right foot, pointing the left foot, transferring the weight. While we are turning the lady, we are going to close our feet and point the left foot to the side. Lady is going to do a arm movement while we are going to also follow with our arms opening up to the side. Lady turns in front of us. We are going to transfer our weight on the left foot. We will have a continuous transferring of the weight. Right, left, right. Lady is going to do a line. We are going to hold their waist. Lady is going to do a turn while we are assisting her, following by a rock step, rock step.